Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be using ChatGPT for business ideas, and maybe you can even come up with a business plan for yourself. Let's begin. This is very simple to use, and all we need to do is enter in what we want to tell ChatGPT in order for us to get the results that were desired. So I'm going to come up with a scenario that talks about, say, as an example, what I might want to do, what it's going to involve, and then we'll go from there. All right, so here we go. We could always write a business plan, but it's just so bland and so broad, you're not going to get a great answer. The more specific you are, the better answer you're going to get. So write a business plan that revolves around creating YouTube videos, reviewing products that I own, and collaborating with companies. Let's click on this and see what we get. All right, so ChatGPT really went all out when it comes to this business plan. And keep in mind, this is also related to business ideas. If I scroll up, there's a good amount of content here. So I'm going to kind of skim through it, but I'll use my mouse so you can follow along. It's a YouTube channel that focuses on product reviews and collaborations with companies. We provide our audience with honest and thorough reviews of products we own, as well as showcase products that we have received through collaborations with companies. Our target audience is individuals who are interested in purchasing new products. We'll primarily focus on home and lifestyle, tech and beauty industries, but we may also review products from other industries. To monetize our content, we will use a combination of sponsored collabs, affiliate marketing, and advertising through the YouTube Partner Program. Marketing strategy, we'll also leverage SEO techniques. We will promote our channel with a wider audience. We will utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We will reach out to relevant brands directly and offer to review their products on our channel. Operations plan, financial plan, and conclusion. So overall, that was very good for I think I did a business plan. Let's do some more business ideas related to YouTube. Okay, so what I did is give me some great business ideas for my YouTube channel. We talked about a plan here, but maybe you're missing out on something, or there's another angle that you can use, say, if you were a YouTuber, right? You can do this for any type of business. This is just an example, seeing I use YouTube a lot. Let's hit enter. All right, so let's take a look at the response. So we talked about a fitness and wellness channel, do-it-yourself and home improvement channel, beauty and fashion, food and cooking, travel and adventure. So what you could always do, say if you found something or it was more niche down, you know what you're going to be doing based upon this. Say you wanted to do a fitness and wellness channel. Let's break it down a little bit more. So here's where we can even break it down to get more ideas. I put, give me some categories of content for my fitness and wellness YouTube channel. All right, so taking a look at it, we have exercise routines. That could be a ton of things, but it also talks about strength training, cardio, yoga, Pilates. That right there is probably 100,000 videos, right? Nutrition and healthy eating. Once again, there's so many different videos you can do with that. Mental health and self-care, health and wellness, product reviews, and Q&A. So something I want to show you also is that you can really embellish more. So you could say give me even more categories. Enter. Okay, so what I liked about this, aside from it says fitness and wellness Q&A, and then it says Q&A, but most of these things are overall pretty different, just a little bit, niche down. I guess you could say workout challenges is new, fitness transformations is new, fitness and wellness vlogs. I mean, that's kind of that's different, right? Fitness and wellness travel. And then of course we have the Q&A. So anytime you generate a list of something, you can always tell it hey, give me some more ideas or give me some more categories. And last but not least, I just want to do one more idea that's a little bit different for a business idea. Give me 1 second. All right, so give me a business idea that utilizes free social media traffic to generate leads and sales. Also, this business idea is going to have a shoestring budget. All right, and here we are. Just keeping it very simple here is to create a online business or consulting and coaching business. However you want to do it, talks about where you can provide value on what platforms to generate leads and sales, keeping your costs low. A very good answer, and that's a perfectly decent one given the fact a lot of people do that. They hang out in groups looking for people to help. Obviously, they're an expert at something and they offer coaching and consulting. But that's just a very quick video. I don't know if it was that quick, but a video overall when it comes to using ChatGPT for your business ideas and business plans. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, as I will be doing plenty more AI related videos. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.